First, use a stud detector to find the studs. Mark and measure it so that you know where to drill. You want to make sure that you drill into the wooden beam so that it can support the weight of the rack. Use the wood screws to attach the 4 ceiling bars onto where you marked the studs. Measure how high you would like your adjustable leg to be. They can extend from 2 to 3 feet. Then put the screws in at the desired height. Then attach the leg to the ceiling bar with other screws. Measure the ceiling bar's length in order to make sure that you overlap the rack bars enough. Note that if you purchased the 4x8 rack and did not receive extra supports so that you have 4 ceiling bars and not 6, you need to overlap these at least 1 foot. Repeat the process so that there are 2 bars lengthwise. Then attach the singular bars across the width. Divide the length of your bars into 4 sections so that each of these cross sections has equal distance between them. Finally, slide the wooden boards over the rack to complete assembly.